In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 20mm wheel spacers on your Tesla Model 3. Let's go! Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance, so you could slope spare issues. When it comes to the vehicles that mold larger tires, wheel spacers are also useful. The BONOSS wheel stud and lug nut passed the SGS and TUV test report. The matching lug nut use 40 chrome material by continuously forging process. They have achieved ISO standard grade 10. The matching wheel stud use SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, no harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day!